Hello YouTube, hope you are doing well. Today I am here to show you how you can add extension in your Chrome browser. So without any delay, let's move to our topic. Open your Chrome browser, then search for Chrome Web Store. Open Chrome Web Store and here you can see it as extension options and theme options. You can add themes and extension from Google Chrome Web Store. Here is a search bar. Search for your extension. For example, ad blocker. And here is the search result. Choose your extension, press on it, and then in the right side you see an option of add to Chrome. Press on it. After pressing, it shows a notification in which he asks for add extension and cancel. Press add extension. After pressing, it takes some time for the extension download. Here you can see that your extension is being downloading. Wait for some time. And here you can see the option of adding to Chrome. Now your extension is add into your Chrome browser. And here you can see this. Here is your extension. So this is a simple way to add extension in your Google Chrome browser. If you have any question, you can ask that question in comment section. I will reply you as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.